time to do a bit of thermoregulation. So this is how we control our body temperature. First thing you need to know is that the body temperature is controlled by the brain, okay? And one spot in particular called the hypothalamus. This is what we call a thermostat, which kind of senses, detects the temperature of our body and then sets the right conditions to be able to control your temperature. Whether you're hot, it will cool you down. If you're cold, you will warm up. So let's see how that happens. If you are too hot, first thing that might happen is that you might sweat. The reason this will happen is so the body then evaporates the water, so evaporates the water in the sweat, so heat moves away from the skin. Next step, the hairs on your arm will lay flat. The reason they will do this is so that there is no air layer to prevent heat loss. Okay, so all the heat is able to be lost. And last one, the blood flow increases. Okay, so therefore more heat will be lost from the surface. So this one you'll start to sweat, the water will then be evaporated off and take away the heat. The hairs will lie flat, so no insulation occurs here, and the blood flow increases, so lots of blood near the surface, you'll look really red, the heat can be lost. Let's look at the other way. If you are cold, the first thing that would happen, or not the first thing, but one thing that would happen would be you will shiver, because this is a reaction to release heat. To warm you up. So you will shiver to release a bit of heat. What will your hairs do? The hairs on your arms. So the hairs will stand up. And what this will do, this will trap air in between you and the outside world. So the trapped air will act as an insulator and prevent heat loss. Last thing, how will the blood flow change? Well, the blood flow will decrease. So you have less blood flowing close to the skin, so therefore less heat is lost from the surface. So if you looked at these people, okay, this guy would look quite red, blood flow at the surface, lots of blood flow, and he'd be sweaty. If you looked at this person, they would be quite pale because the blood flow's decreased, and they would be shivering. Thank you very much. Practice it.